between 160 degree at 12 knots, runway 07 right, clear for takeoff.
Yeah, system 622, clear takeoff, runway 07 right.
Air China 112, line up runway 07 right.
Landing up 07 right.